Top 20 Best Small Business Ideas for Beginner. Starting a small business can be frightening and requires plenty of careful planning. There are many small business ideas which can be beneficial as well as economical. We found that the common mistakes that a new entrepreneur make is financial mistake due to unnecessary spending. When starting a small business, the key is to remember that it is small, and the initial intention is to limit spending until the profit is made. So, let's get started with top 20 best small business ideas for beginner. Number 1, Yoga Center. Helping people to be healthy and fit, yoga improves strength, balance, and flexibility, and help you sleep better. Number 2, Catering Business. Food providing for function, party, and special events. The average catering profit margin is considered to be between 7 and 10%. Number 3, Travel Agency. People love travel for all sorts of reasons: visiting popular destinations, taste foreign food, enjoy better weather, get over a bad breakup, and the revenue is only growing and growing. Number 4, Fast Food SHOP. Providing quick and easy-to-cook meals, fast food is popular because the food is inexpensive, convenient, and tastes good. Number 5, Chocolate Cafe. We all love chocolate and cannot just resist it. Eating chocolate not only tastes good, but it can actually make you happy. Number 6, Fitness Program. By running fitness courses, helping people get fit and firm, being physically active can improve your brain health, help manage weight, reduce the risk of disease, strengthen bones and muscles, and improve your ability to do everyday activities. Number 7, Single Item Restaurant. Single-item restaurants specialize in a single item of food such as pizza, steak, pancakes, or seafood. You only focus on a single food and cash in. Number 8, Hosting Security Provider. Get paid to keep other people's website free from hackers, spyware, Trojan, worms, and viruses. Number 9, Data Backup. Help others to back up all their data so they can retrieve it later. Number 10, Surveillance Camera. A home security camera system is an excellent tool for home protection, and it can work both as a deterrent and a recovery tool. Security cameras can help gather evidence. Number 11, Massage Business. Help people improve their physical and mental well-being, and treat clients holistically. Number 12, Handyman Services. It's an excellent business to start with little investment. You have the potential for high profits and the overhead expenses are generally low. Number 13, Children Educational Programs and Services. A good education helps kids to think critically, communicate well, solve problems, and team working ability. Number 14, Software Products and Application Development. Mobile application has become part of life, which has made it an essential factor in the success of any business. Number 15, Consulting Business. Becoming a consultant brings many benefits. There's flexibility in determining where and when you work, minimal investment but huge profits. Number 16, Selling Auto Parts. An auto parts store can make a significant amount of money online. In fact, an online auto parts store can reach a much larger customer base than a physical store. Number 17, Express Car Wash Service. Express car washes have significantly high profit margins when compared to other business models. The average net profit margin is 7.71% across different industries. Number 18, Internet Connection Provider Service. Internet makes it possible for their customers to surf the web, shop online, conduct business, and connect with family and friends. Provide fast internet connection at affordable monthly rate can make tons of money. Number 19, Start a porn website. Believe it or not, porn is everywhere. It's in mobile phones, laptops, hard disks, and of course on the internet. It's been mankind's discreet sidekick for centuries, and makes millions of millions. Number 20, Pure Water Production. Selling bottled water, it's convenient on-the-go, hydration solution. Everyone needs to drink a certain amount of water every day to stay hydrated and healthy. Water is vital for survival, and of course they will pay for it. The internet is a great resource for small business ideas, and there's plenty of help available for new and aspiring entrepreneurs. We can always find valuable small business ideas, so check out and get more business ideas, and don't forget to share this top 20 business ideas with your loved ones. Thanks for watching.